Well, there's some sort of honeyeater, and it's in the Cotyledon orbiculata, but I don't have my best camera with me, do I? That's as close as I can get. This is my old flickbook camera. I had such fun with it though in my early YouTube days. In South Africa, that little succulent Cotyledon orbiculata attracts sunbirds apparently, whatever they are. I can hear an intruder. Here are the Cotyledon orbiculatas up close, and they're so attractive to Australian honeyeaters. Beautiful red bells. Look at these ones up close. They're covered in little aphids or something. Are they interesting? Little yellowish creatures of some sort, or fungi or something. Cotyledon orbiculata, very tough little succulent for Australian conditions. Very ornamental and attracts native birds. And very beautiful. Very beautiful. And an important source of winter food for honey-eating birds and the Australian garden. The Australian ornamental garden, at least. Selfie time in front of the Cotyledon orbiculatas. Aren't they lovely?